Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. I hope everybody out there doing good, you know what I mean? At the Monday evening, I want to big up on yourself, right? So, people, if you don't know the lighter challenger pickups team, or should I say it's picking up fire? I don't know. You see me as a lighter fire. Anyway, you know what I mean? We see more and more, and I see some more and more people. Like we see Tessa Chin and Tami Chin and Wayne Marshall get involved, right? But that video I want to show you right now. You see me? That person you're dead serious. Pun intended. So now watch that video and tell me what you think about this lighter challenge. Look at this.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up the lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel lighter.
She well serious people. She does a kill the competition. So you see me? Them dead. So the most popular comment me I see under that video, people said them now going in a coffin. You see me? And me know say yeah, people may expect people to say that, but it look like more than likely she work at some funeral home or she do this. You see what I say? She don't really that no fears her, that no scare her. You can see so she well confident in her coffin and go on with herself. You see me? So people, big up, me don't know who she is, me find it from like another page and not from her original page, but whosoever she is, big up herself. So I say, hope Shenseea, see that one and repost it sometime soon, me not see it yet, but big her up on that. So people also, Tessa Chin, you know what I mean, she gave it a shot too with her little baby. You know, she had a baby the other day, so she, you know, sing to the baby and things. So let us take a look at Tessa Chin one.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel lighter. Yes.
Now, I still have Wayne Marshall and Tami Chin one for sure, no. But before me get into that, me have some other thing for sure, no, right? So the other day, I post Dr. Philip Coombs, right? And he was doing the lighter challenge. So I post him, but then one time I circle him page on, I see say he and his wife are having a baby, right? So I just want to say congrats to both of them, right? His wife is a doctor also. I'm not sure the Dr. Coombs, obviously, but, you know, so big up both of them on that. However, I have some clippings from him baby showers and things when I want to show you. So I say, I like it. I like the vibes. It's me I say, big them up, big them up, big them up. So here are some highlights from the Coombs family baby shower. Here goes.
Time now. Mommy reach. Yeah. Yo, man, see you, brother. Man come in a blue shirt. Blue shirt today.
Alright, Andy, you made it easy
Boy
for us
or
to
girl?
tell the gender
Boy or
from the
girl?
colours.
Yeah, so that we can address the boy or girl.
Yeah, Daniel.
Right, so can you get a chair? Well, just 1 minute. One last thing.
Yeah, man, I big up all the Zoom fans. I'm up on the IG. On the wave. Who's the team girl? They must the team girl. I'll be a big nasty on this stuff. This one a roll up. Big up in a doggy. Yes, sir. You know I go. Yeah, people, so lose track of the snapping. So, team girl, big up on yourself. It's a girl. I'm excited, nervous. Need to find a name. You know?
So big up Dr. Coombs and his wife one more time. Congratulations to you both, right? It's a girl, people like when you hear him say. So big them up on that. So I say, I just more blessings and more life and more prosperity. That's all. You know what I mean? I wish you know. Just be a good things I wish you know. Saying so, big up on yourself. All right. But people know remember me this time I got show no Tami Chin and Wayne Marshall. I do the challenge because I show you our sister Tessa in the earlier this video, right? So Tami and Wayne Marshall did the challenge also, right? And we are talking about the lighter challenge because we know say lighter challenge at burn up street everywhere. You see me? So we are going to tune in and we are going to take a look at Tami and Wayne Marshall doing the lighter challenge, right? And Wayne Marshall as Taurus Riley, starring Wayne Marshall as Taurus Riley, and starring Tami as Shenseea. So, with no further ado, here goes the video. Tami and Wayne Marshall, lighter challenge. Here goes.
So you have to do the harmony because you're gonna do Taurus's part, and I'm doing the lead because I'm Shenseea in my mind.
Where the key?
Baby, when the bright light starts to fade. That. Ready? Let's go.
Shaky.
Oh, don't try to take time. Baby, when the bright light starts to fade, fire up your lighter. No, lighter.
What the difference be?
Baby, when the bright light starts to fade, fire up your lighter. Flow through the waves. You make me feel light. You make me feel light. You make me feel. That's not bad. It's not great, but it don't bad.
Nobody.
It don't bad.
Yeah, people, so big up Tami and Wayne Marshall, right? So, right now, me just I got talk about Shenseea herself, right? Because I see she post something where she repost. Because them I say Shenseea give them enough music this year. When I think about it, I say, yeah, for real, you know. And then I listen to my song, them I talk about the West Habit, the Sure song. Them I talk about Bad Habits, them I talk about original Side Chick song. Yeah, lighters. And you don't know what the song them. I say, name goes on. So, them I say Shenseea give a whole heap of song this year and I choose still a whole heap of music to drop. You see me I say, till all me all miss, because I never know about Bad Habit song until when you know, when she do the karaoke. You know what I mean? When I do a video about that, I mention that. But it's a good song, you see me? So I'm sure say she have more to come because remember say we still have like what? Couple months to go in this year. So she have more music for come. But right now the lighter song I do it, people. May I tell you everybody. You know, I did new thing. Like everybody does, I say, lighter. You see me, this morning, Mr. Gial, Gage Pan Live, I talk about it. So, big up Shenseea upon that. All right, that brings us to the end of today's video, people. And if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the family. For all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here and thank you for staying on the channel. Thank you. Big up on yourself, everybody.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina! Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.